Amamunyina monitie adehye ne so biam ya tenasio November basunda to so nwotwe afempemienu ne aduonu nan so nie ana ayefiada ansamu ayabobo no de babasom no ana yagye adwa ya yebekenkan yi na nsamodo ayo de ba no ne yedimo akote no bi enie sahwe akontomro no ahye adwane de atodwa akyeresa Nia anaye hunu na yatete omrashe dwafie no andi siamanyoko no ani speaker wonom aka ho bi ye papa sebre no kwankramantamu a mampanya ba de kire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia wapa on your friend say credit scoring system e won to maye beboa amabosia bo ene ho si ho no aye kuma bi ye pa amasia sao tamansini mu Aya de hye ya womo ewo abrem ana ekasa yi womo de atodwa atrase mampanyi nado won kan ne bo hye bia mra bi atwam wo hye na de hye o na won hwe se obetumi adisuo sanso ana ene Dr. Matthew wopoko pampa de akwakotodwa ewo savana mantemu akyerese tia mampanyi nado ate savana ne nyina no ejina wo de ma empuntu sane be na mpuntu nyuma ebetumi akoso ewo honom entia na yabekọ nsam foforo mo ne akwakohwe Salt FM ya anura ho sansam beda adwa sa andisi amanyoko no panyipa ya wawaso obekwamra hye odwafie di ama wonom wone ne mrantie binim akwakọbọ awura wonom aye nioma ansam fata no ensam foforo asase a ebo primuo yebekọ na mu nkyeremu nso ya de ababasom panyipa bia anka ne na Stanbic Bank wada no nso akasa ekirem se Nigeria wonom hyehye ne dwumadi a wonom yere nyame anim ni eya kwakọ ese atuate dom ko bi ya eno Emfa papa kura amre wo magana yesika se wene nsama hodo pinu a ana yaboaboa no a yada baba so mo se wi prompt broadcast ye boyan faseda amanyumaku ahodo yi cloud internet waka ho bi ana eso ibi pro services se na da dua na yetu fa o enti unya fa o sika na meka ho a na wode abantem 21st clinic where sciatica expert emawrenfi samizo and 5G anso atayechi 3 herbal center with 3 core capsules anso akahubio express group de wo to kwan wasa ya na apaso kwakwati broni kroma na wadoba kwadodo ma ho tumi ato Sompa chade nyame ya adoma December yi awusua ye che we nyumako awodo a wanmadoma so yasene na agada kase boy eba besom menso ensan for penyoro asante ebo Benedict wadoma sam kroje na wade asoma me yasame makenkan nanya wasomu de no eyeme akosia aje wakwade boaten afenje Brennan sam no ye na ne achi Basa na santam ne ya aka kakra ma ma Ghana yakwato santana kwato aba no ankame yaso ma Ghana no ahye odwafie won ma hyase a ehuru so yie pa NDC ne NPP ya won mo ya dom kase ane dom kuma ewo mra hye odwafie no ene nioma ya dane amacha se wokọ mra hye odwafie no ma yenhye da hunu sane enioma esibikeka kwakora ne nyina no ye na no ada Speaker of Parliament asem okokan ye sa enkonwa nan bi wo mra hye odwafie wadane abutu enna bebi mu ko kwakwanten kura na ba kokora mpo asade ne ho akwakodom NPP amanyoko no yenim sa sansem we nyina no ye monim sam dada na ena no na NPP asa tro krata ya wo de kwama Speaker of Parliament akira se sene anuoma speaker kono aban ne botai na ni swade hunu fa ne mpuntunwuma ho no eya kachi ye pa na nso nti wonsan frɛ na mrahye odwafo enkonkɔ tena se na wonhyamra na enra na mrahye odwafie wonsan so kɔtena se biem ara sanka obetumi ahyamra na neoma eya kachi no watena se esoso adwono de afa ho wonmo kwaya na andisi amanyoko ya wom ye dom kuma mrahye odwafie no woma kwatena dom kase na konya so nti anka ya de heyu aba ama NPP fo no PA ade firi ho no mo na Speaker of Parliament wasa gina ne tumi so atu ade ahye da bio asam no kokoba ye no na sa to sa ye ne mrahye odwafo di nkomo na ye tie won madwen ade efa ho wokwa sahwi akonto mraba to ampeso so a mrahye badwane ya won mo no akoya deputy majority whip ewo ho no yira Alex Tote wone elmahene yodubu achi atwetwe nkomo awade ache bia dwumadi so de atodwa akire se ne ekoso nyina no and this Yamanyoko ni speaker one mo ka ho na amana ba ne saa wo mo se nei amane abane botaye ne nyoma pinu a wasankwani gu akwam no ne nyina da eya kachi e wo Ghana mem
anopa na yekudu wono eye normal tina yi nyina yeye se ye be sit na ye caucus na caucus na ye no se speaker say leader inform na nya no ko isa say Clark no fair no ye catch them so catch speakers ye caucus meeting NDC for say ko chamber bia no mo ye caucus meeting na either so mo inform speaker mun country no speaker try mo wie ba ansana ya transit sometimes you think go try chamber osa ansana omuba ya sheduma se 3 ansana e be sheduma sibia no speaker ma e painful tuna ya kan ho nyina hia na yere na adwo adia ye be for the day bisa say and no speaker okoye na okwa akose proceedings ase no ofre wan. And this one meeting without a record to the majority side. One prove here on this one kokoye a but near to be a speaker say, why a Juma as a lawyer. Now Bisana say. Also and this one I got on the right hand side. A almost sitting prisoner. And then I say Mubisa. Because the Supreme Court I catch the speaker say Adia Oye enumere and you will not be determined say obesity vacant. Into MPs in 9 I know a Cynthia ne Odaza no parliament one. Omume Juma. No speaker akwa say maybe and Kofa Kotna your Trump no adiama suspend and as indefinite a year adjournment. Mogana for him was in the speaker no Ubugana Manano.
I was away am Rasaba Johnny or she a quantum Robert Sompa so you're Alex Tatano. Na anwachino Yabora Andis Yamayokono one month often. Na Amenfu West and Rasaba Johnny, you're Eric Afo, one now and no man Kasaya. Watch us out ye po bikrampo at a sobo bonua. You're Alexander for your marking our no edidom Cassiano any mood no. One mom the Infamonos and sending you my wayano and Shadan Faquim.
And yeah, the former majority leader now a share parliament, so leader of parliament, leader of government business, national Belgium, a senior Martin, lawyer. The statement of mine said, we the common speaker said, only call the parliament, no. He said, no, open doors, not the admin. We said, the speaker will just come and do it just like that, without even business committee meetings. That's the name. Let me just say, we are senior marking. Member to parliament. No, before I say, the parliament, but last year, there shouldn't be any other paper. Now, other paper, this is a business committee at Tenassi. You are selecting a member of the business committee. If you have anything more, parliament and send as a report and send parliament adjusting and send they are started saying they start other financial juma. That is the process. That's the parliamentary process. Every week the report every parliament business committee Monday way, Tuesday way, Wednesday up to the end of the week. Emma Parliament are approved in 92 and Sana Edayaguma. You can say, I recall of Parliament. I have started new business. Look at them say, business committee winner, because the Yamana, we are less. A church say, Parliament winning, the Kojin loan, interface assessment law, we have the whole that is enough for proceedings to take place in party. I will speak today, we do have a business committee in the majority leader. Organized parliament. It is who which political party forms the majority. Is there any?
I was only a ton of Memphis West Marshall Janira Eric Afo. Now, Mampanyaba, the chair Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamiawa Pao, near friend, sir, a year credit scoring system, I want to my iron cramantamu, where I am shell for cry what dear ba. Ababa bua amoma Ghana ya bosia bono atwumi akoyie na ehunsi ho ayaketo abi na ebra opa wontoma ewon kramantam wo no baba kire mo se nei Wama Ghana sika krabia batan Bank of Ghana one masiase agye atum se ebebo aye pa na wo hwe ankane ne sane na yesibi ye adwuma na obi ko sika krabia bi so okwa bosia sane ebesi bi aye nipa no atoto no ebewie kire kurampo no bosia na wagye no obetimi atuansi ho ba de oho na wontua nwieda na so sa my credit score yi a wapa ho ntoman wose se wokọ de onyan no Ghana card ya wo de bekọ na wo de akwakwa yan hyehye no ese kwaba se woje bosia no a obi bia wa ba fo no so dada ekwan ya wafa so a wotu abosia no wankasa kora wobehunu sika kora bia no so behunu sane ye ho hyehye ne ade ko nyina no wobehunu a ekabo bia da entumi emachiri ebra mampanyina be de kire doctor Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na wapa wontoma na wo kire mu bua bebo ma Ghana am ye sika sam akwayi no sei enochi mu fai.
The My Credit Score pilot demonstrate a stark improvement, achieving an MPL ratio of less than 4%, a remarkable contrast to the national average. By enabling a fairer and more consistent evaluation of credit worthiness, My Credit Score is expected to reduce defaults significantly, strengthen confidence among financial institutions, and expand access to credit for individuals and businesses alike. The initiative reflects a broader commitment to sustainable economic growth, where financial stability and trust in credit practices play a foundational role.
I was your way, I Ghana Mampanya Bediacher Doctor Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Ya ko Amansia South Mansino Emu. Na wahene ya wawo abremu ewa Amansia South Mansini mu na nafori amanfo ya wotoso mienu. Na wade atu dwa akire mu se nyame anemu nie. Wo ka na wade akire mampanyi nado ane mpanyifo mu ka bie wom se. Wom so ya Ghanafoɔ wom ka oman no ho. Ya memwo bia ya yebu bia no wom so tua to ewo Ghana man yeje. Enam so nti se mampanyi nado wo kyeche ne nhira nsuo no so obaya nkrofo akwan de ama wom a. Wọ́n sọ na de hia ewo Amansia South nso wọ́n betumi anya mu kyefan yi pa na ebra na enam ne kasamafo na se panyipa yo gina mu kasa de ma no so na kwadwo apia kubi na wo kasa no ena wo ba be kire mu se emra bi atwa mu Ghana man panyin no obontoa e ma oba Amansia South wo ba be hye won mo bo se nyame yi adom na koduru nkramantamu a wo ba wase asoye ye hwe ma Ghana yakwantepon nsam so no wo mo de Amansia South kwan no ebe ma contract ya wodo no ma hwese wo metumi aye niye na so se mampanyi kwa ne wura ya fi enti wo mo kan ne pa se ne wura fi ne ho a ena no da bo hye no wo be hye ye no wo mo kan niye
me kan niye honorable wadawroma ye me kan ama abraman no me so me abramni tie no na ehia se me kan eye ekwan a eye manso kwan e nam so yi Wadaruma ebranfo bo afore emfie wa ha ye ntimi nye etiano saa no ye besere ye nim se mugusu a mo ye de na enso se contractor no ontimi nye no se de fata ye wura mo ntwini nsinchei na mo fa contractor foforo mra efi se me kai se nana kufu abeba ha manso adubia last 4 years obeto Ashanti region na manso adubia no de bewie na me wo bi Okasa obaye manso kwan ame de abona baso de ato ne din nana akakra bi so wokọ etimi wura sa okọ a kai no wosi manso adubia constituency ye hwe ni mu se kwan we obaye amaye
ye hwe ni mu se kwan we obaye amaye na no akire no assembly member ya wo manso Ebram onimonyafo Amo Edward Sylvester woni ade hye no bi nso ekasai efa sa kwanya no so ade ade sode eto obaye nim
Ewem say we classic akira de ba ye tu kwan a ye hu za manfo ye community center ye ni boss wa ye fe enti ye hu na na ze ye de bi ba ye kurom na ye be bi na nsuo to bo ze wo bo canopy a na mframa abefa ba se timi ye community center de a nsuo awia ye ni problem enti na ma ye nya gidie se betima esa de we aha ye challenge pa ye kwan so ra ye nim na ye chi ye kwan ye letra ye no maja kom we no furu a kuro enti say ye ni toilet here toilet na kuro no so ya police station ye nya so far nyama mi ensa we ni nyama egu ya kwan ma ye nya ne sesi a ye be sra ne say obi a o ti na o hwe bia no They say no man I can was a community center. Until you right after this program no. You started until Ubia the brand new veggie.
I was aware assembly member your woman so Abraham no Yira Amo Edward Sylvester na and what you know Mrashaba Johnny your woman so to be about to person so Yira yaw frempon ado one so the kakra at was so actually and yes be a buy no refi name contractor I want to say contract in Shannon Sano one no and a yakukwasa.
Esa wodi ekokota judgment debt no yentimi ntua enti e ba sa no na esese ye di kwan no ekofi su bi nso ekosi de isa so because me ye kwan no se de be ya e ba be twem ha no to de isa so but ahade no na wa under contract dada enti contractor no ka chere me play say onye ebi say oya obenya asem onya asem so a ye so a ye de contract no man no so ye so obenya asem enti no kra pa e wo mu e na makan enye se mani ni sa kwan we hu na so me say achia emuye kra esra bebuo nyina de mon kama koma ntumu yam mo de mon kama koma ntumu yam na sade ye ka ye se ekwan we sei eye kwan bi a efi memu nkwanta besin kwesi desa so ene ye di ma contract ekwan ni na ye di ma contract ba kwa contractor ni ye very good no oye wie 1.5 years na owie kwan no ekwan we 2021 May May 25th and ye ba ha be kate so na NCBM ye nya twamu wi a ekwan we se bibia ni wa besi ekwan se sa kwa ye nya na enkwan kwatum eye kwan siri so pe eye 7 kilometers pe na 7 kilometers no na me ya adum a sa ekwan we se unya contractor we si wo sa afi ba ko oba wie.
I was your natural sir, and no Mrashaba Johnny, your woman, so Adubi about to unpersuade, so you're a yaw, Frempon, Ado, and na yetining cane. Ye call Savannah Mantamu. Dr. Matthew, Opoko Prempa, Yaway Franca, Tunia Bedi, Chodema, and Pipia Manukono, Wadan and Tuabako, Piemo ya, and nay, one gonja, traditional area, and on my hemful, Aquacoshia. Na a bro quarry and walk Jakpa Palace. Ya no, our damongo, and ne. Yagbonwura tutumba borisa ekokoshia ya wodo odoko bo dom asra ni nhira ene nadom na ebra wo kasa no ene wo baba kyerem se mampanyu nadon ko akufu ado na ni suade hunu anam sunti wo ma wote mantem no bi kan wo menne wo msoso kra baba nya savannah mantem no na esusu yie pa wasasa ne ebe na mpontunyuma bekoso enuoma bekoyie na won mo pa enuoma afraban wa mo nsa beka ne ntamunti ena nam so ma ban no yes anam so nti won hwe na fi wansan to aba ema NPP amanyuko no.
This morning I'm here to pay homage to my father. But most people don't know that the relationship between the Gunjas and Ashantis have hundreds of years. Since I was appointed as the running mate, I've been going around the country. Everywhere I go, I stop at the Overlord's Palace. That is what I start from. Because the land is his. The people in it are his. I cannot go out there and campaign without coming to seek his blessing, without coming to seek his blessings, without coming to ask for his prayers, and without coming for his directions. Coming back, I need his permission to go out there. My greatest request for him is for him and his people. We in Ashanti, knowing what he is, continue to honor him as we honor his brother there. For me, forget about my position today. I stand here as his son. But I will never change upon my position. Till I die, I'll be his son. And if a son doesn't honor the father, who else will? So together with the presidential candidate, we have decided that we have to empower our chiefs. To let them get to the position they were. People forget always in this country. Had it not been for the chiefs, there would be no independence in Ghana. It would never have happened. It cannot work again. It was the chiefs who started the struggle against the colonial master. And when you get to my party, the NPP, it is the chiefs of the north, of the Ashanti, the chiefs of the coast, and the Muslims of the country who together form the United Party. The alternative is bad for Muslims. Every time there has been an NPP presidential candidate.
I was your way, Dr. Matthew, Opoko Prempanen, Yakuti, and no, Anna Yabongra, Tutumba, Borsa. What is so I can say, trust, and Natia, Umate, Savannah Mantamino, Abuapa, Amasumji, Ekoso.
He says he's sending a word to you that if somebody doesn't like you, there's no way the person will even come to the first community before even getting to this place. And so he's saluting you for making time to come to this palace, to come and listen with him what you have for them. That as a son, what he has, which is the only thing he has, is that he wants to hand you over to his spiritual leader, who is the Malam, to give or offer special prayers for you to get exactly what you are asking for from him. Next is that he would ask a few people to come with you into his bedroom, and then you have a tete-a-tete with him so that he can put across one or two issues to you for redress. The Savannah Regional Chairman, and then the MP for Damango, lawyer Abu Jinapo, should accompany you into his bedroom for that conversation to happen.
I was away a bongra, tutum back, Borisano, and what you know, Marshaba Johnny, your Damango, Abatong Besso, so you are Samuel Abu Jinapo, on so Ekasai.
Been thanking the Yebongra for this great honor done you and your delegation by assembling literally all the chiefs of the Gonja kingdom, and he himself sitting in state to receive you in the great Jakpa palace. And I've been telling the Yebongra and asking very humbly and respectfully for his blessings for you in this journey you're embarking on. And just guess how significant today is, Thursday, and how significant the good Lord works his ways. Today is November 7th, 1 clear month to December 7th, 2 clear months to Inauguration Day, January 7th, 2025. And let it be the will of God, let it be the will of God, and let it be the will of God that January 7th, 2025, by the grace of Almighty and through the generosity of the Yebongra and the good people of Gonjaland, Dr. Matthew Puku Prempe will rise to become the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana.
I was aware that Mangomra Shabajanino no Yera Samuel Abu Jinapo. Na wako Tano South Abato Ampaswasua. Panyepaya ono so raso abakwamra Shabajafia Diama Andis Yamanyoko no ene wabwa nai ade cementi basa ahanu. Roofing sheet ka ho eno so ye makomako aduonu ye nchance ade boda so ene nioma hodro pi nu aye ya dansi ho nioma akọ Dama Community Day Senior High School ye wo hono mu akọgina mampanyi dada anem ye Rajon Dramani Mahama edisa dwumayi wase wano nyina no ayebotayi ye Rajon Dramani Mahama odi sisi sa Community Day Schools no sane ba na adesuafo pi na ho beto won ba bia won mote no wo masom ebetumi adwo wonom ebra ye Ra Charles akwasi asiedu na wo kasa akire mu botaye ye tekire no ene wo de adesede to dwase mo manfo mo remfi kura sa fi e ba beto aba andi siamanyoko no ehia wonom abato
Dramani Mahama obesra Tano South constituency na problem no ye de ne kupie wo dema na nanom ene mpanyifo wo dema edeto nanim se ye community senior high school wo dema no ye onwa kasanada Roma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene de ba eno ti school no the condition enye ye di kan ye to so mienu school na kasa kumuafo no ene teacher for ene jiska air contribution ansana bibi wo school no ho multimedia ya enti o ma jiska se mu si boys dormitory ba be do mo du no ahode nasa enti papa eba o mesi dormitory ni bi enfa ma o ti nanane kasa wie na His Excellency bisa me say na dormitory must start the dana and I'm say yes because me ankasa kra no me ko bo mo 50 bags of cement enti papa sorry ye no ka chom say na sa dia on twentwen kra say o twa ko nso be bansa enti obema school no 200 bags of cement now wa mo 20 packets of roofing sheets enti o kan sa no na nanom nimpanyimfo ho de omotie de na so ne ade a e yo madwen say ne chine ya ade enti ene de ko enu nyamo hobi muhu anigi a na aba e okunu enu nti na menam na se mete se obi se yɛmɛn to abama NDC na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama by president free SHS no betwa mu a ɛyɛ amenti ase
Abusiona no achi no ana jasehene ye owada ma wono gina ohene na na emu kasai na na twemasi asamwa wono so ebo kane mampanyini abaso
omoni wo brezu ise enema dugo bebre wo ha NDC ya ma de mama ya no eju a ya nu ya NDC de baaye Yakwa ya ekuro modikai egu ho maaye afi suina daga suina ho de maaye ebego su ayita sia no akọ be oba ye ho se ye wo ha o be si ejai maaye se de be ya ekola omu nu su a o be ko mu man for free be eba ade Endi diye omo ye na bra ye wura ba ha no former president oba ha no e mo se esui o si ye no wanwie zena o seka bisi adai ka o si just bongo ne process don't much it I can't hold eti onjini anya ni na yo ba ya ne de nanim se e dai odisi ho no ya wa house akra ya memba no omu ni ba bi ayeda na ye ni akasa ya di ti e mo wire mu a ye si ya de
Awusia waya jasehene ye owada ma enono na na twemasi asamwa ana yete ninkan yakwa oma no so na yakwa akodi nkomo na efiti enrada ade banwa no ya wo se videos bi ananam monten so na videos no ananam social media no so no akire mu se akasa twetwe bi akoso ewo agogo ya radio station or friend say Salt FM ne nyina ne ye won mo morning show na won mo ye ano manfo no mo kire se panyipa no wote morning show no so na wo ye no o ka akasa bi a efa bi no egu yewura kofi asamwa ne ho fi efa ne sikasem bi ne nioma bi a isusu se waje na asasam ne baa no no manfo no kyese entwe yie papa na nso nti panyipai ne mrantie ne bi akọ Salt FM eyese opanyi no a wakọchina morning show no so kasa no wo mpa chew ena di he baa ne bayifo se de okọ atan de oba atan de ogina ho no ani atentuo do ye kwa oma no so na ye ne panyipa ya wo hweso obekọ mrase odwafie ediama NDC amanyokuo no yewura kofi asamwa enei wo manfo etene nsa ewo no so no ye na kwa kodi nkomo ne abisa ne se aso asem no ankasa etesei opanyika se mu official pa o yewura samu official pa o wotemenka official pa na hotesei erodia domo na monso Yesu adomis me hoye pa. Ye de nyame ase. Wodi yanka bi nhemu. Anrada bapem na ne ye se video bi namu a. Wodia na nkrofo bo e wo video no motenetene won mo nsa. Wadaru ma minim se bapem na de watemu asem. Na wonim se ne ye konso na e kire se yanka se wadaru ma. Kire mu kakra yi. Alright, me da say, me kire watie for. Me ameka se de okan ne friend chief Kofi Asamoah. Me na me NDC parliamentary candidate Asante Achim North. Mini aba ABD. There busumi ni. Unim say the Salt FM ne ye ne dia no ono so etina as content crow constituency a. If you are an independent candidate, it me tia say politics no political games no e wo it me but there busumi ni but eka this week radio station no e kan sama enim e sama o de to me so e gu me hu bi no na too much nti ena me ho a me nti radio do but ena me ho na the branch chairman ba ko frame so se me be radio me fan to Salt FM na me nti e ko so apa me de ko e na che se o yo mo morning show no o kan sem te o gu me hu fi ena MPP4 na edi me ba ena MPP4 na finance me MPP4 ma me 5 billion MPP4 ma me fertilizer MPP4 ma me electrical poles and some basa it me say me try some me presenter no one fa
na me ya dum almost there calling no and I try the two. The two no asama me catch as me introduce me asama me bisa na say meaning say or a journalist say journalist there meaning say number one ethics no back say the person could be one them now with this kind of allegation and so we be thrown for corona will be sano na oyi ne ho ano asana wako aboti akoka ekuni ne hu fita asama wo kanya enye no kre utu ade na wo ku me hu fi metiase say o boss and so contest him they say meaning some of them radio station here politics metiase but the person come here and say mo dem radio no mum e be catch voters timemufo na wo ha no tie o boss enye e ba obeya mo he say wo dey wo time no e ku me hu fi until the oil no to stop that e ho na no mo ka take call no so mo ka take call no you try see e frɛ anko and me say so yes me frɛ presenter na wa amfa me so be am tie ne be radio no no 2 blocks e fie me no ne chance mu ono so presenter na ka say Kofi Asamoah Abra be yi wo ho ano mo o say mo san frɛ ne ma me na onyi ne ho ano so you try na e ma no me imagine mu no and am say be clear so hwe video na me say shorts and a t-shirt and am dey call say question job so be say the o mi sa me wo ho or no prevent the omo my consider because omo invite here or so the cover ya no yan ko hosi e ko kunto ko yan ko hosi e ko ya una wo ye allegations against me and my catch say no that's not true stop that and I did to so that's so ye and I think me me ho no nti me ba radio station wo na question bi a wo bi an bisa me na me answer no omo so say no they didn't invite me there into omo mami radio station studio hall in particular and only video a wo ho no.
Oh, okay. Na obanye kase anu no ye tete ye se ba kokora ansa huti ni ade ma chesa na akasa no ya ye bibie ho minim se ene no nsiesie atumi akoso ana we akwakwa ya posifo asem.
Oh ye no okay ni wa me tira ka to say okay ni wa touch you okay anu bi anko ho in fact me offer say ba ko no di meji e na bi wo hwe video na ni para no block omo not to take the video no ono na almost train and sit aside but we didn't do no complaint nti minyanya any complaint ya tv people will be in so omo call police station ko report after any police commander or any we patrolling na atinase I say omo for omo evidence but I say maybe a team na buy na say me amba on pepu omo the me will be against them and me family nti so far yes that's what it is.
Na opanyi we de mani nsan asem no a eba ya eye yese no a enam so ma de na ye hunu wo monten so nyina ba de agu hu fi no we de wada wo ma kire mu kakra kire ye sate sa ana sente sa
asem no nyina ente sa o se na me ka kire o beginning no o se lawyer Kwame appear
me pese me kire se ye re what me kan me pesa me kire se de na wo kan no wada roma emu nkire mu no etesai sanse wadi kan kan abonten awie sate sa na sente sa no wo mom na wo betimi a kire
I am going to say etesa
okay
some of the can say wa mama me 5 billion wa mama me fertilizer me kwa me nefu let you the me dey wa mama electricity pool no ninya e dey anywhere etesa it na ma me frɛ o ka say allegations no you know that's not true it won't die the oil no nti sa le ko ba no
yo opanyi abado wase no bra no wadache nyame hia so nya nto wase ne akasa
me fe da
yo awusia waye yewra Kofi Asamoah ane na kasa yeyi wokọ NDC amanyoko no edin Asante Achem North abato ampeso so a owura wo hwa so obekọ mrahye dwafie ade ama wonom ene etesa ensem wonana na monte so mu videos no wababayi ne ho ano ewo eho na yankwa na yanhomeso kakra emra Sompa achade ane yakamfode ama wo afidie no eba so live monim sadane da nyina no afia no ba behia sayia efresa Sompa ba ne yehwese kunafo wisia nyanka mobro wa wom so abesere na omadidibie eno ntine yede Sompa achade aba afowede nso ba so pa de owo bia wo de ba ye beje emu anwa milo bibia yeje nemomuo no se wokọ Sompa nkranza ye Ghana Commercial Bank dan nim ehonom na wo benya obetumi de akọ wo sunyane nsoso a obetumi de akọ night market honom Sompa ne bi wo ho ena wo kuma senso a ye ben room hotel se mobile money a fafa ya homa esuma ye 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 Edin Yatarawan Media Anasa Blessed Foster 21st Clinic sciatica expert woman de ka shasia na foforo esua na woman musua nyina so de no ye na edi kan ye ne panyini no a wo sciatica ya de ne free wo to asentini atwe wade aba na amro mu no hwese obekọ na dokotafo ahwa wontam Kumasi Washon overseas junction ye by Alpha Radio wo boase Castle Quarters and cry double market sunya na nkranza tachiman wo nyina no ya gidin 0540 311 0540 311 3 Herbal Center the 3 core capsules aba eyokoko masete aduro wo sisi ukoko no wayam timwo no edro ba betu ase de free wo amwasa nya ukwa ahosan hwese obekọ kwale na keba dan heba Mistinia Pedank 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 Express Group nie Canada na opasa okọ US UK Holland na Espresso ebusua ye adwuma 24/7 se okosua de okwa adwuma scholarship bi no ye do bekọ ama ho tumi atọ Kumasi wasafo labor runabout Accra Kanashi First Light 0249 000448 0249 000448 Imupro service anana ye to fa ye kwa China wonya maya no abantam sansa anche ye betu we take it will be bia aye $2,499 per emu asam ne ye kanu hwese obekwa achimata mo anase wo baje nchiremu a ewo hoyi number ne 0244 92 4573 0244 92 4573 Cloud internet so ya kan for at the amount internet papa ehwojo na esabo ye pa 24/7 ejina show CCTV camera be install be the amount digital security locks web hosting and internet there air cloud wo top high one low FM di hwani mu 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 Mizo and 5G and so eka ho bi enaya for fida sa no anasa Friday no ye wura mu nyame yadma memdan ne kwasiada e wo so odwodwo ho na obody no ankasa e relax ye eno to nya Mizo and 5G a enya ba de kora ye nyina so yi na ye ntonkra empensuo bi no me ba ne aka chi no e de betoso
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st Clinic nkwa womu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st Clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Prakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hia yi pa enye prakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa prakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye prakasa powder siesi nipadua na ba kwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma ba ko fraduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma ba ko warning sushi, yeti, and opinion numre, wabra wadidi awie. Ubenya preke powder to Kingswalk Heba, Ne Heroes Heba, Accra, Okesi Drug Lane, Denny Heba, Umase, Mensa, Takrade, Mose Pharmacy, Ni Greenlight Pharmacy, Sunyane, Cash and Carry Supermarket, Asantwa Heba, near Bibidro Depot, Techiman, Sewa Heba, Mampong, at to form fre 0550 19 15 14. Preke powder, Aduane, Sanye Drew, FD Ashisha Sankra to Muajiatum.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwabruchu.
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otwedi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwantu ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mind be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour na se visiting so a Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi do wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention Akwa Kumasi Asafo Labor runabout Hwa. Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashebi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Ahumad for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Anyo, said your friend said you're not to farm one to so. Negativity yapum, halfway, Sompa FM 98.9, Sunyani, Sabakayan way, Naya Nantin yapum. And on the 9th of November, Yenina Yeshim, and Opano Noom, our post office, Naya Nanti Afa Sunyan, Amontina so, Yabe coronation park. Now a honey dry, yay, Abiba up, and Abiba down, Abacoso, Micha aerobics, Yenanim Dufua, or Mekasache Wapum Deho, and Tisha so say. Done it yet, Mount Pabuanya ready. Had the pound for, bank for, a year for, and a political parties in Sadano, Goloma Shifaya ready, Yama for Beba, a fete Tenebajagum, the best DJs, Amamonyom Pa, a peace walk. National said, 90 away, they're trenching Yapom at Yako 7 December, Akotwaba, a Yasum Bianqua, a Boafoni 3 Eco capsules, Miso fruit juice, 5G drink, from P of Vibes Recording Studio, and a 21st clinic. Walk with Sompa, Nantibio, Natinetine Wapom. Oh, darling, you are always on the
Sompa TV, Emma Akatiapa.
Emma Akatiapa, I will show them what say it to and some so. Yadakasiabana kwa mantamu ayabetifi a 1 year dream. Na maniboya and saka free one mono nyada kura. Wama for ya one muchiremu se. Enra da one more samra and take walk and tell a woman your mabati yasam ketwama. Ya waba penny yas and tewa yo ya brewat yo chronoshow I can't be. Wama baya wano any abetifi ahimfie. Wamkwa muni samra and tequano. Wama ya national security for. Say woman free wa baby ya. Na warmo baya kwa wadonte hene asia du agmaye otoso miensa nanai eno mokwa man so de ne kwa sha ahimfie dada nim ekogu nsa kodwetwa anwan ne ade se warmo tunade so na ebra kwa ba no sa na samrantiara wade ekono a na ani susu yiye pa no so di wo mu jim kikiri ya wuro bi mukura to homa sabio warmo tohwe ne ade nyina na ededa so awo monten so na akwakwa ya wo mekisem yiye pa Yaka say no amanebo yansa ka kire se nipa makomako ensia ana won mopra awon yekoso awa batifini mu aka ho bi ama oba panyi ya santewa wonu di mrantie nanim ekodi sa adwuma no wone Sompa kase ekasa ya ansa na sa adwumadie we kura eba bekoso amani pansia wonu maprapre mu odensa na ebra ne bon komo no wonyema soso asi bibi kire sei
eya papaya otie ya frano kwa kwasi actually ose Achamfo asiedu adman adonte here of Kawu traditional area e wo mra mi nimu akonyako a oji a on this ansam na no e bo ne ho oh be dia dia no e fia ha no ba ye be sha ye wo mra wo mfirifia obe dia dia wie ye no wadani na chi ama fia mfi se bia sam ye nsanie o ntwa o ma fia ha da bisha nedi da wabaha no ni subani ni yenti me the get na na ya santo ani ka mi chichiri kwa uman bi de fia na ya bibia bi de kwa uman ko na tutu ba ye fia na mi bi ba da sia ye kwa ya odi mi fa so na mo suba bi ba si sam ko nya ni fia ko ye de ba si sam ko nya no ko ye no oni ko bo Japan ane kwa uman ospa we ne wonye kwa uman bi
authority one ma fa so jeje to wo ma Ghana mu no eya kwa kwa se wo ma dane atuatwodom ko bi no mutia echinchim Ghana fo bi no nsa age won musika wo mo chese aka ho bia menai enyuma pinu a na eguguo e wo Ghana Revenue Authority won mo nsa no na eno na aka ho bia ma panyipa ya fa sa akwanya no so ebra na won mo ya presidential gala din na bi won toma na se wodi hu dwuma no e na panyipa yi e kire mu se nyame anim ni nia ekoso no ene enyan na etan so to obesra Ghana Revenue Authority say enyuma na eguguo no enam won mo nsa so ama na basa no se won ma nyaye ade besie no enye papa.
If we come in with any new tax measures, we don't simplify and indeed merge and delete some taxes that the last time I was speaking to a business, they had 33 different taxes. There are about 33 different taxes. We just have to rationalize it and give these very emerging capital or private sector people time to breathe and so that you can at least continue to tax them.
Do you think that is feeding corruption into the system where you owe taxes, but there's no program to reform on the private sector side to be able to recover? Cash flows are tight. How do we reform that ownership? Because I've heard stories where you owe GRA taxes, they'll shut you down, right? Yeah. And that particular business may be employing a lot of workers. But the issue on cash flow on the private sector is directly related to inflation and depreciation and all these, and non-payments, right? Yeah. Non-payment, delayed payments. So when you say tax...
I was not sure, son, and what you know, and now Panya Quancho for your McDonald Group or Dano. Dr. Daniel McConley, one so, I first saw Quanya so the two judges say, what was that by no? Woman and Ninku Sadia will pass and say a two bebrebe shebe brebenua. Whatever no ama ankron crapinu yuma egu ewomeimu.
We have to be very serious in this country. We can help government. We have to help government. This is our country. We don't have any other country to run to. All my investments is in Ghana. And what do? Where do I run to? We have to put all our resources in here. I can tell you that we're living in a country when government, the politicians, will sit down and will drive policies for the private sector who understand business. I've had many occasions where I've walked into a minister, whatever I explain, he doesn't understand. And he will never understand. And this is the guy taking decision for me. I've been in private business for over 30 years. And I'm telling you that this will work not for me in my selfish interest. But think about it. The politicians who are not even built or employ 3.
Dr. Daniel McCauley no one I pay you for your McDonald Group or Dano. Yana was so and I am found something and see. As the PSC Quadiamaco Veronica Jando. I question some wire grace and a fe boozy. Or a Santiago Benedict, one and some for Pennyman Swa. Wamada Caseboy Suma, me man better as a king can ye. Meeting any. akosia eje wakode aboaten ya sori so akosompa nkomo etoaso
Brankani Rusi, na ya rehosi. Bible said, the ohunu mo broni mo bon, but the afame radi.